Today, we're delving into the powerful combination of two popular health strategies, keto and intermittent fasting, and what to eat while following a healthy keto lifestyle. Ever feel like you're stuck in a rut with your dieting efforts? Like you've tried every trick in the book, yet those stubborn pounds refuse to budge? Well, healthy keto might just be the game changer you've been searching for. Let's delve into it, understanding its benefits, and uncovering the key foods to include in your daily meals. Keto and intermittent fasting have garnered significant attention for their potential to transform health and aid in weight loss. Let's explore how merging the principles of the ketogenic diet with intermittent fasting can optimize your well-being. First, let's understand the basics. What is keto? Keto is a low-carb, high-fat diet that shifts your body's energy source from glucose to fat, inducing a state called ketosis. By consuming fewer carbs and more healthy fats, your body produces ketones, providing a stable and efficient energy source. But what sets healthy keto apart? It's all about prioritizing nutrient-dense whole foods over processed alternatives. Healthy keto emphasizes vitamins and minerals to support optimal functioning. Now, why are ketones superior to glucose? They offer sustained energy, better brain health, and support fat loss. By integrating intermittent fasting, you can enhance these benefits by promoting stable insulin levels and efficient fat burning. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between fasting periods and eating windows, lowering insulin levels and promoting fat burning. When combined, intermittent fasting and healthy keto encourage your body to rely on stored fat for energy, leading to significant weight loss results. Reducing excess insulin is crucial for overall health. Intermittent fasting gives your pancreas a break, lowering insulin levels and promoting fat utilization. High insulin levels can lead to various health issues, including type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even certain cancers. But it's not just about weight loss. Healthy keto and intermittent fasting offer numerous benefits, including inflammation reduction, blood sugar control, and hormone balance. To succeed, focus on reducing carb consumption, balancing meal frequency, and choosing nutrient-dense foods. Understanding ketosis and its benefits. Ketosis is a metabolic state where your body shifts from using carbohydrates as its primary fuel source to burning fats for energy. Achieving ketosis typically involves restricting your daily carbohydrate intake to about 20 to 50 grams. There are multiple benefits of ketosis, from enhanced mental clarity and sustained energy levels to effective weight loss as your body taps into its fat stores for fuel. The importance of fasting in the morning. Fasting in the morning complements ketosis well by extending the overnight fast when insulin levels are naturally low. This extended fast allows your body to deplete its glycogen stores more rapidly, facilitating the transition to fat burning. Research suggests that delaying breakfast until later in the day may lead to increased weight loss compared to eating early in the morning. However, it's essential to listen to your body's hunger signals and find a fasting schedule that works best for you. Optimal foods for healthy keto eating. Embarking on a healthy keto journey means filling your plate with nourishing, nutrient-rich foods. It's not just about slashing carbs, it's also about making smart choices when it comes to what you add to your diet. Embracing healthy fats. Contrary to past misconceptions, fats are not the enemy on a ketogenic diet. They're your allies. Healthy fats help keep you feeling full and satisfied while facilitating the process of ketosis, where your body burns fat for fuel. Consider incorporating fat bombs into your meal plan, tasty snacks made from ingredients like avocado or coconut oil that provide a satisfying dose of healthy fats. Incorporating high-quality proteins. While you don't need excessive amounts of protein on a keto diet, it's essential to prioritize high-quality sources. Opt for grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, and organic cheese to ensure you're getting valuable nutrients without unwanted additives or hormones. And don't forget the nutritional powerhouse that is eggs. Strategies for successful keto dieting. Avoiding late-night snacking is a cornerstone of successful keto dieting, both in terms of what you eat and how you approach your dietary habits. By consuming an adequate amount of fat during the day, you can help curb nighttime cravings and keep hunger at bay. Choose high-fat foods like avocados or almonds to make your meals more satisfying and minimize the temptation to snack late at night. Staying busy to prevent boredom eating. Boredom often leads us straight to the kitchen, but finding engaging activities to occupy your time can help prevent mindless snacking on your keto journey. Consider incorporating fasting and stress management techniques into your routine to distract yourself from unnecessary snacking and foster a sense of zen as you strive to achieve ketosis. Supporting your transition to keto with supplements and beverages. Transitioning to a keto lifestyle can feel daunting, but there are ways to make the process smoother. Supplements and beverages can play a crucial role in supporting your body during this transition period. Vitamins are essential for maintaining overall health while adjusting to new eating habits, with certain ones like vitamin D and B-complex vitamins becoming especially important due to their roles in energy production and immune function. In addition to supplements, certain beverages can also be beneficial. Apple cider vinegar helps with digestion and increases stomach acid levels, making it easier for your body to break down fats into ketones. Meanwhile, lemon water hydrates you without adding unnecessary carbs, while coffee's natural antioxidants can complement a healthy keto lifestyle when consumed in moderation. Lastly, don't forget about electrolytes, essential minerals that help regulate nerve function and maintain fluid balance in your body. Consider incorporating electrolyte powders into your routine to ensure you're getting enough of these vital nutrients. The role of exercise in healthy keto eating. Regular physical activity is key to achieving and maintaining good health, especially when following a keto diet. Exercising in the morning while fasting can be particularly beneficial, providing you with an extra boost of energy for the day ahead and aiding in weight loss. Fasted training, or exercising on an empty stomach, forces your body to rely on its fat stores for fuel, resulting in increased fat oxidation during your workout compared to exercising in a fed state. Research has shown that fasted training can enhance fat loss and improve metabolic flexibility, making it a valuable tool for those striving to achieve ketosis and optimize their health. Cheese and keto diet. Cheese is a beloved staple in many keto diets, thanks to its high fat content and low carbohydrate count. But not all cheeses are created equal when it comes to keto friendliness. Cheddar cheese, with its rich flavor and low carb content, is a favorite among keto enthusiasts. Its versatility in cooking and snacking makes it a popular choice for those seeking to satisfy their cheese cravings while adhering to their dietary goals. On the other hand, American cheese, while creamy and mild in flavor, may contain added ingredients that can increase its carb content slightly. When choosing cheese on a keto diet, opt for varieties like cheddar that are lower in carbs and higher in fat to support your nutritional needs. If you're tired of struggling with weight loss and searching for a sustainable solution, healthy keto in combination with intermittent fasting could be the answer you've been seeking. By understanding the principles of ketosis and incorporating optimal foods into your diet, you can achieve and maintain ketosis effectively. By making informed choices about the foods you eat and incorporating regular physical activity into your routine, you can experience the transformative benefits of healthy keto firsthand. So, are you ready to embark on your healthy keto journey? Start today and unlock the potential for improved health and vitality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. See you next time!